at the marvelous beauty of nature. You might have seen my previous video about the introduction to energy management, and today I am going to explain more things about energy management, and I will tell you these 3 things. First is the 4 principles. 4, remember this number. Second is the scorecard, which you will be learning later on. And third, the art of energy management. Allow me to tell the 4 principles. The first is review, the second is realign, the third is reduce, the fourth is report. Allow me to start with review. Like all principles in life, we have to start with the review. But you cannot start review without data. More importantly, what are you going to review? The things that you are going to review are the billing, the energy consumption, and the people. Now, let's chit-chat about the second principle, which is realign. Realign means that you realign all the existing equipment, and you also can develop a best practice behavior. Best practice behavior in terms of energy management means that you can see all the energy tariffs and contracts, realign that, and if you do that, it will unleash the best opportunities that you can get to save energy. Now, let's jump onto the third principle, which is reduce. Reduce means that you have to reduce the cost alongside energy consumption. There are 3 types including cost: no cost, medium cost, and capital expenditure. No cost activities means that you don't have to spend any money, but you are still reducing your energy consumption. For example, fine-tuning time clocks and resetting the building management systems. Medium cost activities is like you have to spend at least a little bit of money to reduce your energy consumption, such as installing LEDs in some areas and applying control in other areas. And lastly, capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means that you have to spend a lot of money to lower down your energy consumption, such as installing solar panels on the roof and replacing all the existing equipment with efficient equipment. Now we're finally on the 4th and final principle, which is report. Report means that you are reporting the year-on-year energy consumption and finding payback and saving opportunities to lower down your energy consumption. We are on the next topic, which is scorecard. Scorecard is kind of like an assessment report for organizations to answer. For example, energy policy, energy management, motivation systems, energy management, information systems, energy purchasing, energy marketing. I don't know, do they even deploy monthly billing reviews? So this tool is used to review the organization's energy consumption and their future patterns. Guys, it seems like the time to conclude my video by telling you the art of energy management. This art of energy management consists of 3 points, and those 3 points are creating energy awareness for the people and organizations, giving a reward for the organizations and the experts who achieve savings, and lastly, training for life, especially for the organizations and the experts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, smash that button there, and I'll see you later, dude.